Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign multiple pages in PDF at once. This essential skill can dramatically improve your productivity, especially when dealing with high volumes of paperwork. We will cover straightforward methods to streamline your digital signing process, making it far more efficient. You will discover how to manage your documents effectively and apply signatures with ease, all in just a few simple steps. Before you begin the actual signing process, it is crucial to organize your files efficiently. Create a specific folder on your computer and move all the PDF documents you need to sign into it. This simple preparation step prevents errors and ensures you do not miss any critical documents. A well-organized workspace makes the entire batch signing process much smoother and more reliable, saving you time later on. Now, open your chosen PDF software, like Adobe Acrobat or a similar professional tool. Locate the Batch Processing or Combine Files feature, which allows you to work with multiple documents simultaneously. Import all the PDFs you organized in the previous step, then select your digital signature. Apply it to all selected documents, often with just 1 or 2 clicks, drastically speeding up your work and enhancing efficiency. After applying your signatures, take a moment to briefly review a few of the documents to ensure everything looks correct. This quick check helps confirm the signatures are properly placed and legible on each file. Once satisfied, save these signed documents into a new, distinct folder to differentiate them from your originals. Your completed and signed PDFs are now ready for distribution, submission, or secure archiving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.